A very good day to all of you. Today, we shall be talking about the subject mathematics, especially for school students. The subject which is either close to the heart of a few students or creates a fear factor. This fear factor results in less marks and disinterest in other subjects as well. Wherever teachers are able to explain the simple concepts of mathematics through experiments or visualization techniques, students have less problems in understanding them, but the majority of teachers are not well equipped with the experiments, and so the problem remains as it is. The teacher tries with chalk and board methods with no luck of success. To overcome the problem, a team from IIT Jodhpur worked for about 2 years to develop a comprehensive EdumEasy Maths lab. The Math lab has 6 instruments and a few 3D shapes to cover the entire syllabus of NCERT from classes 6 to 10, leaving hardly any topic uncovered. Let us understand briefly how these wonderful equipment help in learning mathematics by doing it. Our first instrument is number system operator. The instrument helps in understanding simple operations of numbers such as addition and subtraction. The closure property of these operations can also be visualized using this equipment with the help of some magnetic coins. This also creates a room for learning the ascending and descending order of integers. It actually covers some chapters of classes 6 and 7. Our next instrument is algebra annotator. As the name says, this equipment demonstrates concept of algebra. Challenges with teachers are to explain simple concepts like x plus x square, x plus x multiplied by x square multiplied by x cube, or factorization of algebraic expressions, or multiplication of complex algebraic expression. This annotator is a wonderful instrument for visualization of these concepts. It also helps in understanding the solution of a simple linear equation and even developing understanding of basic concepts of probability. The next instrument is coordinate system demonstrator. From understanding the quadrants and their properties and simple coordinate geometry to solutions of linear equations in 2 variables and even solutions of a quadratic equation are some of the important features of this equipment. If we talk class-wise and probably the chapter-wise, then this equipment covers prime and composite numbers, decimals, ratios and proportions in class 6, rational numbers in class 7, square and square roots, cube and cube roots, direct and indirect proportions in class 8, number system, coordinate geometry, linear equation in 2 variables of class 9, real number, pair of linear equations, quality equation, polynomials, arithmetic progression, statistics of class 10. Our next equipment is geometry expositor. This actually exposes the entire geometry, be it angles, triangles, rectangles, quadrilaterals, trapezium, parallel lines, regular shapes or irregular shapes. The single equipment is enough to explain all the concepts of geometry. This verifies all the theorems of geometry from classes 6 to 10. This is not the end, but it demonstrates the entire trigonometry in a fantastic way. Our next equipment is circle descriptor. This explains concepts connected to circle such as radius, diameter, tangent, properties of tangent lines, arcs, just by experimenting them. Construction of various angles is another beauty of this equipment. This single equipment works multifold. It also acts as a fraction tester and probability evaluator. The last in the row is mensuration evaluator. Perimeter, area of regular shapes, irregular shapes become very elementary concepts after using this. Data handling, playing with numbers, and many more. Even Heron's formula are some of the experiments which this equipment demonstrates. We are very confident that with the help of this math lab like EdumEasy, we'll be able to create a new teaching and learning mechanism of the subject mathematics to remove the fear and bring a smile on the faces of nation's future. Thank you.